Hello, this is Dr. Rupa Rachel, consultant pulmonologist at Sagar Hospital, Tilak Nagar. Every year, more than 8 million people die due to the effects of tobacco consumption. Here on May 31st, we celebrate the World No Tobacco Day as declared by the World Health Organization. This was started or initiated in the year 1987, and this year being the 33rd World No Tobacco Day, the onus or the focus is on protecting the younger generation from the abuses or the use of tobacco smoking. With every whiff of cigarette smoke, there is the body and the tissues coming into contact with more than 5,000 poisonous chemicals. And smoking is the single incriminating factor which causes several chronic respiratory diseases, cancers of the various organs, infertility, stroke, and several cardiovascular diseases. It also weakens the immune system, and during this era of COVID, it is very important, and I urge a lot of smokers to quit smoking as it weakens the immune system and makes a person extremely susceptible to several respiratory tract infections.
I'm Dr. Chandrasekhar. I'm a consultant in psychiatry in Sagar Hospitals. On the day 31st of May 2020, on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, I urge one and all people who use tobacco to quit using tobacco. The World Health Organization, since the year 1987, has been promoting worldwide to quit tobacco in all forms. And with keeping this in mind, the theme for this year is to prevent industry manipulation of the people from using tobacco and preventing the tobacco and nicotine use.
The chief of the poisonous chemicals are arsenic, lead, nickel, cadmium, and carbon monoxide. And this is the single cause for several cancers in various organs of the body. And we, as pulmonologists, come forward and ask you people to come and consult us, and we are there to aid you in helping your effort to de-addict yourself and quit smoking.
Tobacco has been used for many years, and in the newer forms, there are various ways where tobacco is being promoted in the form of e-cigarettes, smokeless tobacco, water pipe tobacco, and various flavors in tobacco, saying that it's less harmful. Let us be clear with one thought, that use of tobacco in any form is very harmful. Tobacco as a substance is as addictive as any other substance like morphine or cocaine. Every puff of a cigarette or every gram of a tobacco which is chewed leads to addiction and excessive stimulation, which makes one drive to use it again and again. So we need to decide to kick the butt today and every time we think about using the cigarette.
As we have to understand that the effect of tobacco smoke is addictive, and this emanates from the release of dopamine, which is an excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain, and this is due to the release of nicotine, and this vicious cycle can be cut. So ask and we will assist.
Because cigarette smoking or tobacco chewing not only destroys you as a person, it destroys your family and the people around you. And in the modern era, the COVID infection, it is proven beyond doubt that people who smoke cigarettes or who chew tobacco are at a very high risk for damage due to the COVID infection. So, keeping the modern infection which is there in the town, we need to think about quitting tobacco. So please, I urge all of you to meet your doctor to seek help to quit tobacco. Thank you.